Good morning, class. Sai Ram to all. Welcome back in English class. So, today we are going to continue or take the grammar portion. Okay. So, we are going to take the composition for in which we are going to have the topic that are left in only I think 1-2 topics are left in the writing portion. That is, today we are going to see the have a look on the topic that is procedure writing. Okay, writing procedure should be how much attractive, how you have to write, what are the steps, how your writing should be. Okay, so we are going to discuss about procedure writing. Okay, what is the benefit of procedure writing, why we need this topic. Okay, so let's start this. Before starting that, you all have to take out your notebook and you all have to note down this in your English notebook. Okay, so complete your work. So yes, so let's start the procedure writing. What is a procedure? Everybody know what is a procedure? You don't know? Okay, let me tell you. What is procedure? A procedure is a text type you can use to explain how to do something in a way that is easy for others to follow. A procedure is a text type. It is a written form or the text type. You can text also you can write in, but it's just a simple text. It means it's just a written form, whether you write in computer, whether you write in notebook. Text type you can use to explain, it is used to explain how to do something. It is used text type and used to explain how to do something in a way that is easy for others to follow. It is helpful for other people who will go through it, and it will be helpful for him, easy for him to follow. Okay, let's have some example. For example, we have a recipe, a procedure of a recipe. Okay, if somebody is making any good recipe, like your parents, like your mother is making good recipes for you. So when anybody is making any recipe and he is giving up writing, complete writing, procedure writing for that recipe, then it will be helpful for the other person. Or you can have the example of an experiment, performing an experiment. Or the last example, we can have the instruction for a task. Okay, yes, so these are the example for procedure writing. Okay, what do you need in a procedure? Okay, what we need in a procedure? Yes, we need a title. Okay, we need a title. So we have a title. You need a title that explains the goal or outcome of your procedure, right? Yes, so what do you need in a procedure? Yes, a title. Okay, you need a title that explains the goal or outcome of your procedure. Okay, we need a attractive title which is going to explain that what we are going to discuss today. Like we are having the title like procedure writing. Okay, same way it needs a title to explain the goal or the outcome of our procedure. Next we have is the materials, right? What are the materials or the apparatus or the ingredients we are going to use in this? Okay, so we will list them. Okay, list them in the order they will be used, right? Yes, if we are going to take a conical flask or a beaker or a bucket or a mug or a bowl or a spoon, okay, or the any other ingredients, etc, etc, so we are going to write them in the this topic. Okay, yes, next we are having method, right? So now what is the step, what are the method for doing this? Okay, for this, yes, so make sure you put the steps in the correct order, right? First of all is you have to make them in a correct order. Next, make each step short simple and to the point. Okay, it should be simple step and short and to the point. Use action verbs. What you all have to use? We all have to use action verbs, right? Next we have is you can often use them at the beginning of the step, right? Yes, you can often use them at the beginning of the step. Okay, yes, we can use them whenever we are starting it. Okay, beginning of the step. Put each step on a separate line and number each one. Yes, what you have to do, you have to put each step in a separate line and number each one, right? Whenever you are doing this, make each step in a separate way and give it a number. Yes. Okay, first of all we have to arrange them in a correct order. It should be step short and to the point, not so much. Use action verbs, right? Yes. Next we have you can use them at the beginning of the step. Okay, we can use them at the beginning of the step. When we are using, we can use them at the stepwise, and we can separate them according to the steps and give them a number. Next we have is, yes, what we can have, yes, to finish it you can add any tips, right? To finish you can add any tips, advice or safety warnings. Okay, yes, whatever you are doing, you all have to do, you have to take the tips and the advice or the what are the safety warnings you have to follow while doing it. Okay, yes, so let's start the topic. An example. So first we are discussing, we are taking, yes, so write a procedure of how to make a healthy veg sandwich, right? We have to write a procedure of how to make a healthy veg sandwich. Yes, very good. So today we are going to make a healthy veg sandwich. Okay, you all have to make the sandwich. Okay, and before doing that you should know how to make a veg healthy sandwich. So this is known as the procedure writing. We will write each and every step, so that is known as procedure writing. Okay, yes, so today we are going to make a healthy veg sandwich and we are going to write the procedure for that. Okay, okay, watering is coming from your mouth. Oh wow, sandwich is looking so nice. Okay, 2 breads, tomato, onion, beetroot, etc., etc. is there. So yum yum yum. Everybody likes sandwich. Yes, good. Okay, so let's start the title. Title we have is healthy veg sandwich. Okay, yes. So what you all have to do, you all have to make sandwich at home. You have to write the recipe, procedure for that. First of all, you will write what we are discussing today in the notebook. After that, you will make a sandwich by your own. Okay, yes, and what you will do, you will write the procedure writing for that sandwich yourself. Okay, it is homework for you all. So let's start. What are the ingredients? See, first of all we are having the title, that is healthy veg sandwich. We have the title healthy veg sandwich. Next we have the ingredients. What we have the ingredients, or you can say the materials required. Yes, so we have the ingredients like 8 to 10 slices of bread. Ingredients we will write हमें क्या क्या चाहिए. Okay, so we need 8 to 10 slices of bread. Very good. Next we need one medium boiled potato. Yes, one medium boiled potato we need, and the potato should be cut in a sliced. Okay, yes, one small onion. Yes, onion should be also chopped or sliced. Okay, next we need is a one small tomato. Yes, we need a small tomato that should also be sliced. Yes, next we will have one small bell pepper. Okay, black pepper, right? Yes, bell pepper, I think it is. Okay, it should be also sliced. You can take tomato, onion, potato. Okay, then you can have one medium cucumber. Okay, we will have one medium cucumber. Okay, it should also be sliced. After that, what we will do, we will salt to the taste. We will put salt in a, to make a it salty and tasty. Okay, yes. So and we will put chaat masala powder to taste. For making it the best taste, we will put little chaat masala over it. After that, green chutney 2-3 tablespoon. Chutney, green chutney of 2-3 tablespoon. Okay, then we will have tomato sauce 2-3 tablespoon. Okay, after that we will put, first of all we put salt. After that we will put masala, chaat masala, then 2-3 tablespoon of green chutney and 2-3 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Okay, yes, these were the ingredients we have taken. Now we are coming to our method. Okay, what were ingredients we have to take, we have discussed. Now we will start how to make a healthy veg sandwich. So first of all, what you will do, you will lay out bread slices and slather each with butter. Okay, first of all you will take out the bread slices and you will put a butter on it. Okay, secondly, what we will do is spread the chutney on the top of the butter. You will take the chutney, green chutney and the tomato sauce chutney. Yes, you will put on the top of the butter. Okay, yes. Now after that, on one side of the slice of bread, now you will take one slice of bread and you will add some of the vegetable slice. Okay, we have taken this one slice of cucumber, one slice of onion, two slice of tomato and one slice of potato. Okay, we are going to take all the slices of vegetables we required. Now what we will do, we will sprinkle 1 to 2 pinches of chaat masala and salt both. Okay, first we will sprinkle what, we will sprinkle 1 to 2 pinches of chaat masala over the vegetable slice. Okay, now cover, and you will put the little bit namak salt also according to your own. Okay, cover them with the other bread. Now what you have to do, you have to cover the bread in which you have put all the material ingredients. Now you cover with the another bread. What you will do now is spread butter over the top generally. Okay, you will now, after putting the two breads in each other, you will put a little bit butter if required. Okay, yes. Now the healthy veg sandwiches are ready to eat. Wow, now our healthy veg sandwich is ready to eat. Good. What you have to do, you have to make it your own. You have to write it in your notebook. Okay, yes. So you did you enjoy? Yes, I also enjoy with you. Okay, but you all have to enjoy by practicing. Okay, not theoretical, but you have to be practical for this. Okay, so one day bring one packet of bread and tell your mother to help you in making this. Okay, make it yourself and help your parents also. Okay, yes, this is the homework for you. Now what you can do to finish it, you can take the help of your parents. You can grill the sandwiches under parents guidance. Okay, yes, so this is the homework for you. You have to be practical for this. Make healthy veg sandwiches and eat it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write, procedure writing has to be done in English notebook. You have to do this work in English notebook. Okay, so Sai Ram, we will meet you on next class. So till we end here the session.